Welcome back to Bazaar Repairs. Guys, it is official. I am a Cardano stake pool operator. A couple weeks ago I decided I was going to build my own Cardano stake pool. I made a video of it. I actually ended up changing the frame and rebuilt it, made it a lot better, configured it. It was actually not as easy as I thought. I came into this a little bit late, but the community's been great, really fantastic. I only heard about Cardano maybe a month or so ago. I started investing a little bit of my money into it, and then when I saw that you could become your own stake pool operator, I really jumped on board. So a couple weeks ago, went ahead, purchased everything with me and my business partners, and we went ahead and just built it up. So got it all configured. The name of our stake pool is Black Widow Staking. You can go to blackwidowstaking.com and actually check out our website. I just built it, so there's really nothing on there, just a little bit of letting you know who we are. But I made this video because I want to attract delegators. So we have about 300,000 ADA right now delegated to our pool. We would love to get a lot more. Just want to let you guys know that we run a decentralized block producing node here in Los Angeles that we monitor physically and remotely. And then we also run Google Cloud-based relay nodes. So we also have battery backup power at our location in Los Angeles, as well as business class internet. So everything is really stable there. So your guys' ADA is safe with us, even though it's always safe. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys my computer screen over here and just show you what Black Widow Staking looks like on Pool Tools, and just show you a quick overview of our website. And then I will just go to Daedalus Wallet and show you guys how to delegate to Black Widow Staking. And if you don't know what Cardano is, just Google it. It's a cryptocurrency that, like I said, I just heard of, but the community is great, and it seems like it has a lot of promise for the future. So I'm all about decentralization. You know, I've been into cryptocurrencies for a while now, but didn't really do anything with them. Now I'm finally starting to invest a little bit of my money, time, and resources. So let's move over to the computer, and let's get started. Alright guys, so here we go. This is just a quick look at Black Widow Staking and what we do. Like I said before, we are a decentralized server that runs in Southern California, Los Angeles actually. We have cloud nodes. We have a team that troubleshoot and monitor 24/7, and we're definitely dedicated into running Cardano long term. We're not in it for the short term. We don't care if it's a year, 2 years. We're in it for the long haul. We have cloud relays, like I said before, battery backup power up to 15, sometimes it might even be longer than that, hours. That'll get us enough time to get power restored, plenty enough time. We have business class internet, so your ADA is always safe with us. And I just want to say we just actually had to refilm this video because I just found out that we minted our first block. So let's just go to pooltools.io and type in BWS, Black Widow Staking. As you can see right there, lifetime block 1. When I filmed this video, we actually had 0. So that just lets you know that we are good to go. Our active stake is 312,000 ADA. So we have a goal to get to 1 million. So that's where we need your guys' help. So we'd love you guys to delegate. If you don't know about Cardano, you can just download a Daedalus wallet. I believe the Yori wallet as well. Get some funds in there, and then come on over and delegate to Black Widow Staking. So I just want to show you guys how to do that now. So just download Daedalus, Google it, download that, and then just come over to this section right here, the delegation center, and then click on stake pools. Then you just go ahead and type in BWS. You can see right there. So there's our rank 470, our website, pool margin, our pledge, cost per epoch, and how many blocks we've produced, which is 1, which means let you know that everything is actually working. Then you just go ahead and click delegate to this pool, continue, select the wallet you want to use, and then this is where you'll just select the pool you want up top, or just at the bottom you would just type in BWS there, and then once you get it, you select that, hit continue, then you can delegate. I'm already delegated, so I can't do it, but that's just showing you guys how to do it. I'm going to end this video here. If you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe, and delegate to Black Widow Staking. Like I said, we're in this for the long haul, and we're ready to do this thing. So you guys take it easy, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.